Wellness Wednesday. The summer workouts were great. The fall workouts are going to be even better. And I know another guy. I introduced you to a baker, and we're going to work off all those baked goods.
You know a guy.
Yeah.
Health and fitness coach Kenny Santucci is back with us to show us how to vary our workouts to reap the benefits of our hard work.
Yeah.
Let's come back to the show.
Yeah, thank you guys so much for having me.
Good to see you.
Very excited to be here.
Yeah.
Probably nothing good.
No, all of it good. We're going to get into our workout in just a little bit, but you have an exciting event coming up.
Yes, October 5th, we have the Comic-Con of Fitness, Strong New York at the Glass House on 48th and 12th Avenue. Free workout in the morning. We have huge sponsors like Celsius and Adidas. They're back in the whole event.
Very nice.
It is the first and only of its kind here in New York City. We celebrate everything else, so we want to celebrate fitness. So October 5th is the day, so I expect to see everybody there.
I'm one of those Celsius people before I work out.
Okay, well, we didn't give you one this morning, but you're going to work out anyway. You go in the middle. What are we doing here?
Okay, so today we're going to start off with some lunges, right? Marathon season's coming. Everybody's getting ready for the marathon.
Oh, yeah.
Sometimes people are like, hey, I don't want to keep running. We'll go into some lunges as a way of cardio and also building the legs. So we're going to start off just lunging. We're going to keep that 99.
Left or right?
It doesn't matter, right? And we're going to push off that front leg and then exchange and do the opposite side.
Okay.
Now, when I have my clients do these, we'll do them for time, we'll do them for distance. Doesn't matter, but this is a great way to not only build
distance, like all the way out here, or no?
No, you want to keep it. A 90-90 is a safe kind of good, good angle. After we do some lunges, right? After we built those legs, then we're going to go into some lateral raises. So we could either do them with whatever we have lying around the house, or we do them with the bands.
Okay.
So
these guys, or?
Sure. Yeah, so you take this one. Give me the thicker one. Yeah. just I don't want, and we're going to stand on it.
Okay.
All right, 1 foot.
Yeah.
Oh. And then we're going to pull it to that opposite side.
Okay.
All the way up.
Oh,
we're going to go lateral. Yeah, right?
Okay.
So
great way to do it.
Doing anything?
Well, listen, if you want to tighten it up a little bit, here, you take this one.
I'm kidding, I've already heard
I'm doing some.
Right?
I'm switching.
Yeah, switch sides, opposite foot.
Oh.
All right, and then we're going to just build those shoulders, right? Because people don't think you're using your arms when you're running, but
you are.
It's very important, right? You don't want to run with your arms.
How many of these are you doing?
So we'll do, I mean, depending on what we're using, whether we're using kettlebells, dumbbells, bands, you know,
it depends.
It could vary. It could vary. And then the last one, we're going to go a single leg deadlift. Now we could do it with or without weight. We're going to bring that opposite leg as far back as we can, using that as a balance, and then we're going to come down, touch those toes. Now stay up. Stay up. Stay up.
I'm sticking the landing.
Good. Go back into the next one. Touch those toes. Reach.
I got it.
Good. And
so
come back.
How much of that is balance versus actually being fit?
It's a little bit of both, right? Part of being fit is having balance and stability. Yeah. So we want to work on those things.
Strength, and Kenny Santucci as your trainer.
Yep.
That was incredible.
Longevity is the key to a long-lasting life. Guys, thank you so much for having me again.
It's a real pleasure.
Yeah.
Follow him, go to his gym, and go to
Strong New York. I hope to see you guys all there.